Well, good morning, everybody. Hope y'all are having a great day. Picked up a few tickets. We've been playing smalls all week, so I thought we'd change it up and play a 200 times and a couple of $200 million cash explosion. So I got tickets number 22 and 14 and 15. Let's start off with the cash explosion. See if they'll pay off as well as our little $5 tickets have been all week. All right, match win to get that money bag. It's an instant or the 20 times symbol. Never found the 20 times symbol on this ticket. Maybe we will today. All right, we got a 438, 24, 1935, 21, and my lucky number 23. And luck continue. Well, let's find out. 31 on these bigger tickets anyway. 11. 22, right in between. 28. 32, come on, 20 times. I'm just really having good luck on those small tickets, $5 and under. And typically your bigger tickets have a little bit better odds too. 14. All about timing and luck there. 21, 1, and 16. Nothing on 14. Well, let's try 15. You got a 37, 30, 41, 28, 33, 25. Well, let's find something. 32, 9, 6, 21. 36, 26. Come on, 20 times. 10 and last spot. Nothing. Our cash explosion couldn't come down to our 200 times. Now we've done really well on this ticket. Match and win. That's ticket number 22 again. Or the 10, 50, or 200 times. Has a second chance drawing too, but I'd rather win a nice big prize. 5, 15, 35, 39, 3, and my lucky number 23. Let's find that multiplier again. Hey, got lucky number 23, we won. All right, very good. Let's see if we got anything else. It's fun to win on your lucky number. See if there's anything else that goes along with it. Hey, 2 23s. Well, I've never had that happen. My lucky number came out twice. How about something else? Maybe another 23, 51, 13, 46. Let's find a couple more matches. 27, 47, 40, 33, anything else? 1, hey, 3 23s. That's cool. Got a 5, got another match, and we're gonna get something here too. And a 39, we got 5 matches. All right, let's see what we got. Come on, be something really nice. Yep, we got 10, we got 20. We have 30, 40, and $50. Very nice way to start the day. Wait, guys, almost missed it. Matching 21s on ticket number 14. And I'm sorry I keep missing some of these numbers. As you may know, my wife and I, we are selling our house and moving, and so having to make a lot of decisions. So my brain cells are running a little on empty. But let's see what we got under matching 21s. We have got, hey, no, 15. So we got back $65 today. That is a nice little $25 profit. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a great and lucky rest of your day, and we'll talk to you later.